Hello friends, welcome to C4CAD. This is the 8th video of sheet metal design series in NX Unigraphics. In this, we will see how to use bridge band feature in sheet metal design. So let's get started. Here we have some sheet metal objects at different location. To use the bridge band feature, we can locate the bridge band feature in band group in more section. So click on bridge band. The objective of bridge band feature is to connect two sheet metal objects with the two transition Z or U and fold transition. To use this, we have to select two transition edges, start edge and end edge. And next, we have to define the width of the band with the options available here. In the more section, we get band properties and reference geometry. So by default here Z or U transition is selected. We will create bridge band with Z or U transition. So first we select this edge and this edge. Now we have to specify the point in width band from which we have to apply the width. So here we select this point. So the band is created like this. We can change the width by entering here, or else we can change the width by moving this handle. In width option, there are 5 options available. Here finite is by default selected. Now we will see the symmetric option. If we select here symmetric, then the band will create a symmetric with reference to this point. If we select here full start edge, then it will use the width of start edge. And if we select here full end edge, then it will use the width of the end edge. If we select here full both edges, then it will take both the edges width. So it will create a band like this. Now click on OK to apply the feature. Now we will see bridge band using fold transition. So again click on bridge band, select here fold transition and select these edges and select here full both edges. So it will create a fold transition like this. While using the fold transition in band properties, we get another options of length. We can change the length of the band using these options. We can enter here 20. So here we can see that the band length is increased. Other option available is band. Now click on OK to apply this feature. Now we will create another band. Click on bridge band. Here select Z or U transition. Select these two edges. Here the band properties contain start edge and end edge band parameters, which is predefined in sheet metal preferences. And in reference geometry, we can use the reference plane to create a band. Now click on OK to apply this feature. This is how we can use the bridge band feature to create a band with two sheet metal objects. In the next video, we will see hem flange feature. Thank you friends. If you like this video, then please subscribe to C4CAD.